The Clarke CTJ4000G heavy-duty 4-ton trolley jack with a maximum working height of 520mm is purpose-built for use in professional garages and workshops. Featuring an extra-strong 2-piece handle and a large saddle, this 720mm long quick-lift trolley jack is ideal for reaching under larger vehicles. The long handle has a rubber sleeve to protect the sides of your vehicle, and it allows for raising in only 6.5 strokes, plus very controlled lowering. The massively powerful CTJ4000G offers a long heavy-gauge base construction for stability, heavy-duty wheels and casters, a twin-pump single-piece hydraulic unit for maximum reliability, a rubber contact pad to protect the vehicle underside, and a white saddle for easy positioning under the vehicle. It has a minimum saddle height of only 105mm, lifting to over half a metre. With a huge capacity of 4 tons, the CTJ4000G will be at home in any professional garage environment.